quranicsupplication.com/donate.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brothers and sisters, welcome to Quranic Supplications. Today we're covering Surah Qasas, Surah 28, Ayah number 24. If you remember in class, right on your notes packet, you'll realize that we discussed this as a small dua and how the wording was really specific. We use the word faqir, not miskeen. Miskeen who has something, but faqir has nothing. So if you remember from the class, we dissected the words here, but then realized this dua was so short that we could make it throughout the day. Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khayrin faqir. Now this dua, you can make, and we kind of encourage each other. When times are tough and you're really down and out and you don't know what to do, you remember Musa alayhi salam, who was at the point where he would take anything from Allah. He said, Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khayrin faqir. And he said, I'll take anything that will come down to me. I'm completely, desperately in need. So, O Allah, I'll take anything that you can give me. So let's repeat it one more time together. Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khayrin faqir. O Allah, in this time of need, I will take anything that you're able to give me and everything. And the amazing part about this dua, if you remember from class, was Musa alayhi salam wasn't poor and destitute before, right? He grew up in a palace. So despite all that you've given me, Allah, I still need you now. It shows the desperation. It shows the necessity for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in our life. Inshallah, I request you to make this dua when times are tough. And remember, if you remember Allah when times are good, He will remember you when the times are a little bit darker. Jazakallah khairan. I'll catch up with you in the next Quranic supplication. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.